This is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Through this brand new strategy I've never shared with anyone before, you can make money online on Autopilot, and no matter what country you're coming from, because as you can see, this is indeed worldwide. For those of you who stay up until the very end of this tutorial, you will be able to see this unique and new tool I have never shown before that you can use to maximize your results and earn even more money. And with all of that said, let's get right into this tutorial. The very first out of a few websites you will need to go over to is this one right here called pixabay.com. What this is, you can see right away when you come onto the homepage. Stunning free images and royalty-free stock. Over 2.4 million high-quality stock images, videos, and music shared by our talented community. So this is essentially a place where you can find royalty-free images and videos. And for those of you who don't know, royalty-free means you have the license to use them without any copyright problems. And the best part, arguably though, and something I know you guys will appreciate, is that you can download the said images and videos for 100% free. So they don't ask you to pay for them, and this is precisely why we want to use this website. Now what you will want to do on here is you want to type in the search bar here keywords relating to making money online. So you can type in business, online business, finance, and so on. For as long as it's related to making money online, what you type in doesn't change anything too much. In my case here, I typed in business just as an example, and what you will need to do once you search for a specific keyword is you want to click on images here, and then you want to select videos just below. This is because you want to download a video and not a photo. From here, just find and pick something that you think looks good. I'll be using this as an example. To download a video, you just need to open it up. On the next page, click on Free Download here, and they'll now ask you to select a resolution in which you want the video to be in. I would recommend going for a 1920 by 1080, by the way. Once you select the resolution, just click on the download button just below, and this will, for absolutely free as promised, download the video to your PC. And yes, it makes absolutely zero sense as to why we are downloading a video on making money online on Pixabay. I know that. This is exactly why you want to keep watching, because it will all make sense in a moment. Now that you have downloaded your video, it's time to get to the next platform we will be using in this strategy. And that is this one right here called volutic.com. What this is, you can realize almost instantly when you come onto this website. On here, you can make money by reading emails. And while that is actually a good way to earn some money online since it requires no skills from your side, no investment, and it's all around just easy, that is not how we will be using Volutic. Main reason being is that it simply put won't make you that much money. It is an easy and legit way to get paid, but we are talking about minuscule amounts of cash, which is why we will be using Volutic in a completely different way in order to get paid. And by the way, guys, for those of you wondering whether or not this site is real, you can check out their payment proofs by scrolling down to the bottom of the page and then clicking right here. As you will see on this page here, this website pays people all over the world for reading emails. This is also what you've seen in that intro way back in the beginning. So yes, this is actually a legit website and not a scam whatsoever. Now with that said, as I said before, we won't be reading emails on a site, hence the features it offers are in effect irrelevant for us. This is why I won't go over them, guys, since you can do that yourselves. What you'll need to do on Volutic once you come on here is you want to sign up to the website. Click on the register button once you come onto the home page. On the next page, you will need to enter in the following: your username, email address, and password, which you will also need to retype. Tick these two boxes to agree to their terms and privacy policy, and then click on Register below to finish the process. Once you log in, this is how everything will now look. And once again, most of you will probably be confused as to why I did this and why I told you need to sign up to this website if we're not going to use it to get paid by reading emails. And for all of you wondering, here's why. On Volutic, the referral or affiliate link is only visible once you log into your brand new account. And for those of you who don't know what that is, a referral link is basically a link you can use to promote something. In this case, Volutic. And when someone clicks on this link, they will be redirected to Volutic. And once they sign up and earn $1 on this site reading emails, I will earn $1 as a result too. This you can see on the homepage, by the way, for those wondering. This is also why I told you in the beginning, guys, to download a video related to making money online. Volutic itself is related to making money online. So I hope this makes things a tiny bit more clear now. What I need you to do once you log on to your Volutic account is copy this affiliate link, go over to any link shortening service you prefer, and shorten it. You want to do this because the referral link as it is makes it really obvious that you are promoting them, reducing the chances of you getting clicks on that link. And once you do that, the only thing now missing is the actual traffic. And I have 2 fantastic traffic sources to show you that you can get not dozens, but literally thousands of clicks on your link to allow you to earn a lot of money on complete autopilot. The first such traffic source is a site called Imgur.com. This is basically a social media platform of sorts, for those of you who haven't heard about it before. On here, people share memes, GIFs, videos, and photos on just about anything. And more importantly for us, Imgur is being visited by just over 240 million people. This means that whatever photo or video you share on Imgur has a huge chance of getting thousands of views at the very least, since the site itself gets millions of visits. What you need to do once you come onto Imgur is you want to sign up. To do that, just click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. But I won't go over the actual process with this site, since it's quite similar to what you had to do over on Volutic.com. And now that you have logged into your account, this is where that video you downloaded over from Pixabay comes into play. You will now want to upload it onto this website promoting Volutic, and leave your referral link in the description. To do all of that, here's what you need to do. Click on New Post in the upper left corner here. Click on Choose Photo Video here and open up the video from your PC. From there, you want to title the video something along the lines of "Get paid to read emails for free." And in the description, you'll want to write in something like I have here: "Sign up instantly," and then leave your affiliate link next to that. And once you do all of this, just click onto Community here, and this video will now potentially get thousands upon thousands of views thanks to Imgur's sheer popularity. And each and every time someone clicks on your link, they will be redirected to Volutic. Whenever they make $1, so will you. And in completely passive income, as easy as that, guys. For those of you who perhaps have a tiny bit of money in your pocket and you're willing to invest it to make more, I would highly recommend giving this tool here a try, the link of which I left in the description. This will allow you to, as you can see, put any affiliate link, not just the one from Volutic, in front of 1 billion people simultaneously in just 60 seconds. Even if you're a newbie with 0 experience, it will basically do all of the hard work for you and get you traffic to your link with you doing nothing. It does all of that through Instagram, one of the most popular apps in the world today. With that said, this is a paid software, so as I said before, you do need a tiny bit of money in your pocket. But since I got you guys a fantastic deal, which you will be able to get this software for much cheaper, and since it has a huge potential to earn you big money online, with you basically doing nothing, I highly recommend you give it a try. It's the first link down below once again. For those of you interested in more strategies on how to make money online, as always, make sure you check out the videos that will pop up on the screen in a moment. And with that said, if you liked this video of mine, then please give it a thumbs up below, because a lot of effort goes into creating these tutorials for you. And if you haven't already, you might want to subscribe to my channel with notifications on, as new videos are already on the way. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you all soon in some of the upcoming videos.